Hey guys, so I'm back again. I'm doing my Red Iguana October nail box unboxing video. So yeah, like I said before, I'm not affiliated with them. I don't get anything off of letting you guys know about this besides just sharing information. I really like Red Iguana. It's a nail subscription box. It's $35 a month and you can opt out at any time, I think. Don't quote me. I could be wrong. But I have been getting my subscription for a few months now. I just started doing my unboxing videos, but I think you can opt out after a certain amount of months. They give it to you, or you can opt out right away. I don't remember. Anyway, so yeah, in the box, as you saw, was these really pretty mermaid brushes, which I have already used on my Halloween set. So if you don't know what that Halloween set looks like, please go follow my Instagram page. It's kittyclaws18. So just get a sneak peek of what I did. I will be posting that video later this week. Anyway, so the mermaid brushes, which are gorgeous. Then I got that thing is called Artistic Koi. Artistic, I guess that's their play on the words. Anyway, it's really pretty. It's these like holographic full leaves and acorn. So nice. Definitely I will leave that website that came with that particular item, because if that item is so pretty, I can only imagine what the other items look like. And then I got these caviar beads, which I just showed you. I got these chunky glitter iridescent sparkles, glitters, whatever. Those are really pretty as well, which I love because I make my own custom acrylics, glitter mixes. I got this really nice full green. I really like it. It's called camel or something like that. It's really nice. This is like an army type green. I actually have been wanting this kind of green, so I'm kind of very happy I got that in my box. And then I got a jelly. Well, first I'm showing you the drill bit, which I haven't tried it yet, but I think I have something like that already. That's why I haven't tried it yet, but it's always good to have extra drill bits. And then I got from the Jellico a Flex top gel. I haven't used it yet, but I will be using it in another video, which I will post next week. So yeah guys, that is it pretty much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you like my content so far, and I think that you guys really like the unboxing video, so I will be doing a lot more of them. So yeah guys, catch you next time. Stay tuned for the next video. That's my Halloween set. Hope you guys like that too. Alright, bye kitties.